Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take 14th aspect. Pronouns and gender. English has 3 sets of pronouns. Personal pronouns, for example, he, they, you all, I and we and she. Possessive pronouns like his, their, your, my, our and her. Object pronouns like him, them, you all, me, us and her. Arabic has only 2. Why? Well, let us see. Personal pronouns are different than possessive pronouns, but object pronouns are same as possessive pronouns. And what is the secret? Well, very simple. If a pronoun comes after a noun, it becomes possessive pronoun. For example, kitabu means his book. But if it comes after a verb, it becomes object pronoun, like khalaqa, created him. So why should we have 2 categories of pronouns? If it is after a noun, it is possessive. If it's after a verb, it is object. And that's why 2 sets are enough. Let's take genders. English has 3 genders. Masculine gender like he, his, him, or feminine gender like she, her and her, and neutral gender like it or its and it. So you have to categorize all the words or nouns into 3 categories. Arabic has only 2, so that's less work. Everything is either masculine or feminine. You want to know more? Subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/user/understandquran. Wassalamu alaikum.